Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to do tripedal prank on Omegle. So don't forget to subscribe my channel for more tutorials like this. First of all, you have to download and install OBS Studio. After that, you have to make doll moving or head turning video. Also, you have to take a screenshot from your doll video. I have just make a video that my doll falls and reverse the action. I just started recording in my OBS Studio and drag the doll using a small rope. After that, I have added that video to my video editing software and edited the video like this. After that, I cropped the part that I want and make a copy of it and just reverse the action and set the speed as 2x. After that, I take the screenshot. Now you have to open your OBS Studio and add your webcam. I have already added my webcam to OBS Studio. After that you added your webcam, you just have to drag and drop a screenshot that you taken from doll video. Now press and hold Ctrl plus Alt key and drop it like me. In the middle of Omegle conversation, don't move your hand close to doll. Now you can see what happens when you move your hand near to doll. After that, drag and drop doll video that you make. It's also same. Press and hold Ctrl key plus Alt key and drop it. After that, place it like me. It takes some time to make it so real. Also, it's on your side to make it better. After that you done in OBS Studio, just start virtual camera and minimize it. Now open your browser and go to the settings and find your webcam list. After that, select OBS virtual camera in your camera list. You can't see OBS virtual camera in my list because I have changed that name to HD webcam. You can also change it. There's a video about it in my YouTube channel. Okay, after that you selected OBS virtual camera in your camera list and open Omegle website. Now when Strange is connected, you just have to play that doll video in OBS Studio. That's all. So guys, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos.